Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1071 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Estate Precision Liquid Liner, the felt tip eyeliner in the shade Black to try out. And this is a product I got in my December 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. And I like the brand Estate. I'm excited to get another Estate product, but I'm just not super excited to get another black eyeliner. It's the product that I feel like I have gotten the most in Ipsy, and I am just way too overstocked in black eyeliner, and it's not something I wear all that often, and it's something that every time I get it in Ipsy I say that I do not want to receive it anymore, and it's just very frustrating that Ipsy never seems to listen to that feedback. But as far as eyeliners go, this sounds awesome, and I love that it's cruelty free, paraben free, and vegan. It has a retail value of $12, which is not unreasonably expensive. And it's supposed to be easy to use, which is good for someone like me that's not great at liquid eyeliner. It says it's not supposed to smudge. It's supposed to last all day. So let's check it out. It's really beautiful packaging. Let's check out the tip. And yes, it has a felt tip. Before I apply it to my eye, I want to try a little swatch. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's actually really nice. As far as liquid eyeliners go, this is exactly what I like. A soft, flexible felt tip that holds a lot of ink, super pigmented, easy to write with. Like, that's a really awesome swatch. A nice thin line. So I'm going to start out by lining my upper lash line. Oh wow, this is nice. You can get right onto the lashes, super precise. It doesn't tug on the eye at all. I mean, that is fantastic. It's seriously like an absolutely perfect black liquid eyeliner. Everything I could want. Yeah, I'm not great at wings, but this eyeliner is so easy to use and looks so good that it makes me kind of want to try it. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna do a small one. That's not bad. I mean, that's a teeny tiny wing. Okay, maybe I should make it a little bigger. How's that? Not bad, Christy. Whoa. I mean, it's not like perfect at all, but I kind of like that. I think what makes this so awesome and easy to use is that the ink goes all the way to the tippity tip of the applicator, and that's where I could just lightly use the tip to draw a very thin, precise line, fill in the wing. Oh my gosh, so easy to use. And it has a little bit of like a shine to it with the finish, which I really like that. Now let's see if it's smudge proof. Yeah, completely smudge proof, no transfer. So that is stuck there. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm curious to see if it ends up drying out at all during this application. I love it. This like makes me want to wear liquid eyeliner more often because it looks so good and it's so easy to use. All right, if I can do another wing that kind of matches, I'm going to be very happy. I kind of did it. I mean, this one's a little bit longer, but like those wings though. Oh my gosh. And it did not dry out at all during that. Wow. I didn't think that I could be this excited about a black liquid eyeliner, but this seriously amazed me. It's just the perfect black liquid eyeliner. And like I said, it's $12. I feel like that is absolutely worth it. If you like liquid eyeliner, I think you would love this. You should definitely check it out. And for me, someone that doesn't even wear liquid eyeliner, I'm going to wear this. It's that beautiful, that easy to use. Like, I love how this wing looks. But the thing is, when I do a wing, like, it'll look so good, but I can never recreate this exact wing. But I just feel like the pointiness, the angle, I just feel like it's so enhancing for my eye. And I love it, but I don't think I can get it again. But if you have tried this, I definitely want to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And let me know what your favorite estate products are. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.